The Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
Welcome back to Carolina and Company Live. Every week you get to see them, your lawyers at the beach, McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie. And we always are talking about different topics, very interesting stuff for our viewers.
Every time we turn around, they've got more questions people are sending in, wanting us to ask these lawyers, and you get some good answers. And guess what? This part's free.
That
you know
is
that?
very true.
All right, what's the first question we got?
We've got Luther here with us today, and we're talking about construction defect cases, which I'm assuming is pretty prevalent in this area.
They are prevalent down here. What we've got is a very moisture-rich environment, obviously built at the coast, and what you have is a significant number of problems that can arise in buildings where the building envelope isn't put together correctly around the building. The building envelope obviously has to protect the interior of the building from water migration, from water intrusion, which gets into the building and then will create mold, mildew, staining, building degradation. The wall sheathing will begin to rot, and the studs. So we have an outside skin of the building called the building envelope, which needs to be secure with sealant, flashing, and properly connected at various areas to keep the moisture from getting into the building, because it will find a way to get in and it will produce rot and building degradation at the end of the day. So the building envelope has to be preserved properly, it has to be built correctly, and when you go into the building you can find other defects dealing with structural, hurricane straps, various things like that.
All right, now what if somebody thinks they have this problem, the water intrusion? What should they do? Get legal advice?
What we would recommend is that they seek the help of an attorney when they note matters in their unit, for instance, staining, mold, mildew, and other matters like that. They could find an attorney and talk to that attorney about the conditions that exist. Inevitably, there will be water moving into the unit. What probably the first step is to seek a third-party professional, an engineer, a general contractor, or someone who can go out and verify in the field what conditions exist which are allowing the particular water to get into the building. So what we're doing is that we'd send them somewhere to try to get that report and understand how you go remedy the problem, the inception of the problem, which is creating the end-run results.
All right, now if your house or condo, whatever, is out of warranty, can you still seek liability against the builder?
Yes, you can. Warranties are normally given by a seller or a builder. They're express warranties and implied warranties, and they run for a defined period of time and they expire. However, there are remaining causes of action against sellers, builders, and others for negligence, and there are two particular statutes which primarily address time frames. One is the statute of limitations, which is 3 years from the date you knew or should have known that you had a problem that existed. You have to bring some action, seek a claim. Right. The other one is a statute of repose, which is 8 years, which allows you to bring certain claims during that time period also.
So if you've got a construction problem, you need to check with an attorney.
That's right, and go with these guys, Your Lawyers at the Beach. You can visit them at yourlawyersatthebeach.com. You can also email us questions to legaladvice@wpde.com. And if you go to carolinalive.com, you can scroll down and there's actually an entire playlist of the different topics that we discuss with them every week. You'll see it under the special features link right there. You just click on that and boom, you can go back and look up all the different topics. So check it out, carolinalive.com. Stick with us, we'll be right back.